So you have the present value of y, you have the previous two values of y, and of course delta t squared. So this would be the way a second order derivative would look if you were converting a differential equation into a difference equation. So why don't you give this a try? Problem number 2 gives you an integral equation and asks you to find the difference equation, and assuming that there are 5 samples per second. So there's 5 samples every second, and so that's what it's going to allow you to determine delta t. And we have some answers there. We went ahead and gave you a little hint that you should eliminate the integral. Now, how are you going to eliminate the integral? Well, if you differentiate the entire expression, that will in essence be eliminating the integral, since the derivative of the integral is going to be the argument of the integral. So why don't you try problem number 2? See what you can do with that. What we're after is an equation like this, something like that. In other words, where we're looking for a new value of y based on previous values and samples. So try that.